good evening, or good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time you're watching this. It's very cold right now over here in Rockland County, and a lot of plumbers and contractors get calls as to what to deal with frozen pipes and things like that. So I laid out a guideline for plumbers to effectively provide a clear report for insurance claims. So I'm going to attach this. And if you have an insurance claim, review these guidelines. Make it easy for your clients, for your customers to effectively have what they need. Give them the tools that they can go ahead and file an insurance claim. Whether they use myself, somebody else makes no, that's up to them. But at least let's give them the guidance and the tools. Let's give them the reports needed so that they can file a proper insurance claim. So a few things to remember: stick to the facts, photos matter, and retain the faulty parts. Tell them straight out, this is the value of your claim. Keep it on site. When it comes to the report, you want to clearly outline the findings. You want to give your recommendation, and if you did any repairs or you recommend repairs, clarify that and include the pictures. Most importantly, keep to the facts and keep to the documentation. Let the document talk to it for itself without making any assumptions. Let's keep to the facts. Have a wonderful evening. Stay warm, stay healthy, and enjoy your year. Enjoy your 2024.